Hi guys, how are you? I'm fine and I hope you are also fine. I want to tell you that if you are new on my channel, uh, English Grammar, so please subscribe the channel and also like and share. Okay. Uh, One by one, all communication grammar I will teach on my channel. If you are interested or you want to some improvement in this, so please comment and like and share and subscribe the channel. Okay. Now, one idea I'm telling you to speak in English that can be very easy for you. Have you mirror? Everybody have mirror, because without mirror we can't be ready properly. No, after getting ready or while getting ready we always use mirror. Okay, also I use, you also use, I know that. So for speaking English, mirror is also very important. Okay, it means in communication, for getting good communication skill, mirror will contribute. So in front of mirror you stand properly and continue look in the mirror and keep on speaking on any matter. Okay, you take any topic and you choose any topic and speak on that topic, continue. And when you will do like this, then your hesitation will remove. Okay, slowly your hesitation will remove and you will feel very confident, and confidently you can speak in English. Okay, so and always, for any grammar, for any tenses, you take one sentence and after taking one sentence you make that sentences in four types. Four times, like simple, negative, interrogative, double interrogative, interrogative, negative, double interrogative, negative, four type, five times, six type. You make that sentence and you always try to speak in English, whether wrong or right. When you will speak wrong, then it will be right after some time. Okay, when you will wrong, when you will never speak, then you can't be able to speak in English. For speaking in English, you will have to continue, you will have to practice, you mm, spend your time for learning English. And it's very easy things which you can learn easily by sitting at home with the help of my channel. If you want to learn something else, so also you tell me, I can teach you every grammars of your syllabus also, like active, passive, direct, indirect, correct, incorrect, which you want to learn with me. You tell me, please, I will teach you. First I am telling you easily communication grammar by which you can understand the formula of making sentences or construction of making sentences. You can get easily. After that I will tell all grammars on my channel. Okay, if you want to learn something else, so please comments in the comment box and be happy. Everybody enjoy, everyone. I'm teaching you only to my dear students who all are watching my videos, and who wants to watch, you please inform them also that one channel is this and whether you can get these types of grammars for communication skill. Everything you inform them, then uh, that's why I will be very thankful for you. Thank you for watching video. Have a good day.